How is this 5 minutes, guys? Just keep... Ouch! Wow.
When you're not happy and when you're going downhill, what do you need to know? You need to know the tricks of how to be happy.
I love this. Oh my god, it's so cute.
This is love.
Which is the reason we created this course called Happiness Factory, because your kid needs to have this ability to manufacture happiness even when there's none in stock.
What we tell ourselves or what we believe about ourselves growing up, that is how we behave. That's why it's so important to say positive things to yourself and the people around you.
So the next time you sing happy birthday to you, remember to gift your kid this course called Happiness Factory, because once he knows the tricks, every day is a happy day.